just really good for your mental health just to get out there, get some fresh air. It's been good to meet people, make new friends, and just really just give me more energy. And yeah, it's been great. I've really enjoyed it.
I found it very good because I hadn't left the house for over a year, and if it weren't for my daughter fetching me to groups like this and Nick helping us with all our steps, and the girls that were there were absolutely fabulous, and it's made me a better person now than I could ever imagine.
Really enjoyed the group because it's helped me get out, build my confidence, and without the group and without Nick and the girls encouraging us all, I never would have had the confidence to go up and join the newly established rugby team.
It was really good to see the parents coming in together and motivating each other to get their steps up and just really encouraging each other. So it was nice to see everybody getting together.